Brother, we'll have to call you back, brother. Bet.
Right. Okay, I got it, man. I'm on it.
All right. Walking up to 311 Preston, one of our beautiful projects that we have going on in San Antonio. And you guys, as you always see, we always do the same thing. We knock it down and rebuild it. See, we already did the leveling. But anyway, San Antonio, welcome back, baby. We're here live, 311 Preston. You know, check us out, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You know what I'm saying? This is Keith Jones Real Estate live in person. I'm excited, San Antonio. I'm excited. It's a hidden city, hidden jewels. But anyway, this real estate game, man, I love it, and I'm glad you guys are here to watch us today. But anyway, I got my field crew here. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna walk through 311 Preston and check it out. You know how it is, you know what we do. Man, I love it. I see what we're doing. I see we already got the new windows in. I like it. We get ready for some siding. We got a nice open floor plan. I can see where we took out some walls and we doing some addition. You know, guys, when we first got into this house, it was, you know, how they all are, the old sheplap, they're all wood. We had to do the addition and everything on the house, but you see the open concept that we're gonna be giving this house. I really like that part about it. I see we've already started some plumbing. I see we got the wiring going in. I see Joe over there doing some electrical work on the new box. It's very important, guys. You know, like we always talked about, the city is very, very big. Making sure you do your permits. You know, I want to really reiterate to you guys that are following us, they're doing some flipping or trying to get into flipping. Hey, it's a relationship. You know, we build that relationship with San Antonio, the city, the development department down there in San Antonio. You know, you got to pull your permits. They come out and they check everything. So it's real big. Make sure you dot your I's and cross your T's. That's what I'm telling you, all you flippers. Remember what I told you? The house might be different, but the process is still the same. Everything is always the same, man. I love this. Anyway, just walking into the living room, got the dining room. I like this little foyer here we got going on. See, we got all new windows in the house. We have a large kitchen. Man, I'm excited. If you guys, you remember, all our episodes, we talk about this inspections. We talk about the permits. We talk about the electrical. We talk about the plumbing. We talk about the HVAC. You see my guys running all the new electrical. So the thing about it is, you know, you never know what's behind the walls. So I'm gonna talk about it again. The reason why we do this way, because the city will come in to do all the inspections. They wanna see everything that goes behind the walls before we sheetrock. They don't show you that on TV though all the time. So we're gonna show it to you today. So we're gonna walk through, we got all of our new boxes up, doing all the new wiring. Man, guys, get close. I want you guys to get real close to show the people what we're doing. I got Joe, my electrician. He's redoing the new box and everything. See all the wiring going through this house? So it's a complete full remodel, but it's pretty much a complete rebuild because we rebuilding it from ground up with all the electrical and the plumbing and HVAC. But check it out, come on guys. This is Joe. Joe, we got going on, we got the new box, so he's gonna make sure everything ties in to when the city comes out. They'll inspect it, and then once they inspect it, they'll give him what we call a green tag for the rough end, and then we'll go from there. These are those things they don't tell you about on these shows, HGTV. We want to show it to you before we cover everything up, the process. Like I said, the house might change, but the process stays the same, okay? So come on, you know how we do in those master bedrooms, I like it. What a bedroom, huge space. We got over a bathroom. We got the bathroom over here. We got the closet over here. You know how we do it. Now look, I want you guys to really catch your toe. If you look up there, you see all this new ductwork going in these houses. See, we do these full remodels and this older neighborhood on the east side. Denver Heights. A lot of people don't understand, we do a lot of stuff. But one thing we do is we put new central air all throughout the house. Man, I'm excited about this house. It's gonna be a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. 4-bedroom, 2-bath house, and wait till you see what else we're gonna do to this house. A great backyard. So we're gonna take a shortcut. We're gonna jump down here from the master bedroom. We have a deck. You know how we do it, guys. We have a deck out here, the backyard. Hey, I'm telling you, it's gonna be pristine. It's gonna be beautiful. It doesn't look like anything now. I know all you guys are, wait till I see it. Hey guys, but this is a garage. And then we got a mother-in-law suite. I'm gonna show you the process, how we do it. Come on, let me show you. So this is the car, this is the garage. As you see, we're reframing everything. My guys putting up new studs, reframing the roof. We got a back here. So what we're doing back here, guys, this is the mother-in-law suite. I know it doesn't look like anything, but I want to show you. We're running the plumbing. You see all the plumbing going in. So what we did, guys, because this is concrete. So instead of digging all into the concrete, tearing it up, we ran it all the way through, and then we put our floor on top of it. So all the plumbing will be underneath. So it won't be in the walls and everything. So we got the kitchen over there. You got the refrigerator there. You got your sink. You got your washer and dryer. And then over here, we're building the bathroom. So this wall will be closed in. So it's gonna be pretty exciting. But you see all the plumbing that we're running through. They'll inspect it, make sure before we close it up. But again, it's gonna be a mother-in-law suite. I know it doesn't look like it now, but when I get done, we do it, San Antonio. It's gonna be nice. I'll have my guy come and we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna put some landscaping down and do all that. But when we get done, it'll be a nice finished product. I'm very excited about the house. This house is gonna be a 4-bedroom, 2-bath with a mother-in-law suite and a garage. Don't have a lot of that here in San Antonio. It's gonna be nice. But hey, make sure you guys are following us. Make sure you guys stay in touch with us. Keep following us. Watch our episodes. Follow us on KeithJonesRealEstate.com, Keith Jones Real Estate, YouTube, and Facebook. And like I said, man, just keep doing it, man. We appreciate the love that you guys are doing. But hey, San Antonio, we on to the next one. Hey, we just pulling up, so let's go in here and see what's going on today, man. Hey, man, this is one of those houses. We're here at 1520 Virginia. We're gonna walk in here. Man, I can't even give this house the just due that it is. It's an older brick house. The decor, the quality of features in this house are just absolutely gorgeous. Man, you have to wait, you have to see it to believe it. It's just really, really good. So we're gonna go in here. Again, we're at 1520 Virginia. It's a brick house, but wait till you see what we did inside. I remember last time we were here, guys, we were taking the stucco out of this house and knocking down the walls and doing all that. So let's see where we're at. Let's see the progress that we've done here. Of course, we've added our fence, we've added our gates. We try to keep the character of the house the same, but it's crazy. But I want you guys to understand something. When you see this house, I don't want everybody coming here trying to see it, trying to jump in, because this house is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. We've kept all the quality and the character of this house intact. And it's one of those hidden gems that once you get one of these, you really, really appreciate the game. Come on inside, let's go. So I'm just gonna let my guys just do a walkthrough. And man, this house is beautiful. We kept the original hardwood floors. All the baseboards and trim, we made it the same color house, but this is a beautiful house, and wait till you see. We're putting in the cabinets. We're putting in the cabinets right now, the cherry cabinets. We're getting all that installed. We got the marble floors. I mean, some things just leave left said, but my guy's just gonna do a film of this house. I'm not even gonna talk about this house, so I'm gonna let you guys just see it and just see the character that this house has. So guys, just walk through the house. We got upstairs. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. The master's downstairs. We got the upstairs. We got the half bath. But I appreciate this house for what it is. The quality is absolutely gorgeous. Go ahead, check it out, guys. Great house. I'm sure my guys got some great footage for you. And I hope you really appreciate the house and all the work that we've done to this house. But we're gonna leave here. We're gonna go down to 614 Iowa, the big 2-story house that we showed last time. Hey man, we're supposed to be sheetrocking, so I'm excited. Let's go see what we're gonna do over there.